Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna Classic video update for Tuesday 26th of July. We've seen Luna Classic really dump into the downside. Now the question really is what's gonna happen from here and where we're gonna move. Is it gonna move lower or higher? Now keep in mind that our technical target still remains this blue line right over there, but what's gonna happen at the moment is what really matters. So I'm gonna remove that line as well, and I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment and see what kind of clues do we have right now. All right, so we do have a little bit of potential. It's like you're making a support right over here, this level, and you're making some dragonfly doji to the downside. Now keep in mind you do have three black crows. Okay, so one red candle, second red candle, and a third red candle right over there. So that's a continuation pattern to move even lower, and it seems like in the future you're gonna have this wick being filled. I just want to see this green candle's volume, if there's any volume in it. It's just a very small tiny volume. Excuse me there. Yeah, it seems like a very small tiny volume at the moment, and you might actually just come up a little bit. You do have 1 hour 25 minutes to actually close this candlestick, and who knows, you can actually if you start to close this candlestick, then I reckon that you must be putting a stop loss here at the 9059, because if you're putting an inverted hammer, you might actually start to reverse to the upside as well. So if you do come down and take out this stop loss 9068 and move a little bit lower, then you're invalidating that candlestick and you move higher. By the way, you do have 1 hour 24 minutes to close this candlestick. So if you do close it at nearly 9185 at the moment, the current price, or above 9162, then you're making an inverted hammer and you might start to make a move to the upside as well, because this is almost like a reversal candlestick. But I highly doubt it's gonna keep on going. You have to keep one more thing in mind, that you don't want to see a bear flag. There could be a possibility of a bear flag being made right over there, and then you see this thing going from there to there, and it's going to move even way more lower down to this level, perhaps come down to 8,377, and I wouldn't be surprised if that actually happens. So yesterday we actually went to 8,546 level. It actually didn't come down all the way to the target that I'm still giving you, and that's what I'm expecting out of this thing, you know. And who knows, Bitcoin is looking to still go to $20,500 at the moment. So there's a lot of things going on this week. There's a lot of news coming in. I think FOMC meeting is coming tomorrow as well. That could affect the market at the moment. So let's see what happens. You know, sit back, relax. If there's anything that needs to be done, and that is to come up and break 13,000 level, break 13,000, hold it, and that's when we have the bullish scenario. And I've been saying this again and again in the videos. And that's it for today's update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.